Hello guys, it's Dale here with the Daily Levels commentary for the 22nd of September 2017. Let's have a look at the euro dollar. As you can see, this strong sell-off was covered today by this buying activity, and right now we see a strong reaction to those volumes right there. And I actually think that those strong volumes that were pushing the price lower right there, from this sideways price action area, will push the price lower once more and push it aggressively through this whole area. And for that reason, I'm very careful about taking any long trades there. I was considering this long level right there, based on those volumes and this strong buying activity, but I decided not to take that trade because the low right there is pretty weak, and I think that the price could shoot past it and make no reaction at all to that long level. So for that reason I decided not to take that long level, and unfortunately I don't have any levels that I like right now on the euro in the immediate area. The only level that I like right now is older level from 1805, but I don't think that the market will reach that level today, so we will have to wait for new levels to form. Right now it seems that new short level could be forming right there, so if there is more rotation below that level, that short level, which is around 1990 or 1992, will become valid, and I'll give you an update on that. But right now I don't have any levels that I like to trade on the euro, so we will have to wait a bit for new levels to form. Let's go into the Australian dollar, US dollar. You can see that there was a very strong selling activity indicating strong sellers, and for that reason I'm still interested only in short trades on the Australian dollar, US dollar. For that reason I won't be taking this otherwise pretty nice long level right there, and I also won't be taking this long level right there. Those two levels would be pretty good levels actually if there wasn't this strong selling activity, and I'm a bit afraid that there will be another sell-off and that the price could shoot past those levels. So for that reason I won't be taking those. There was a stop loss recently on our short level from 79.62. Unfortunately there was absolutely no reaction to that short level we had there, which is pretty weird actually, because this volume cluster and this level overall was a pretty good level to trade from, but we can't win them all, I guess. So let's wait for the second short, which is at 80.03 right there. This level is based on this volume cluster and on those heavy volumes accumulated at this price. So let's wait for a pullback, and I think that it will be a nice opportunity for a short trade from there. Let's have a look at the US dollar, Canadian dollar. I don't have any new levels I like to trade there, and the reason is that I think that the market will close this strong buying area. It will close it, and after that maybe during the macroeconomic news that's coming up today, they will shoot upwards and create new highs of the day. I think that a lot of stop loss orders are placed right there at those places, and that the price could shoot past it very aggressively, very strongly, and for that reason I don't have any shorts in this area, and also there aren't any viable longs in the immediate area. So for that reason I don't have any levels on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. We will have to wait for new levels to form. Let's have a look at the US dollar, Japanese yen. Unfortunately for me there was a losing trade from the 112.32 long level. That trade was hit during unexpected news from North Korea but I was sleeping, I had a limit order there, so I just took a stop loss. If you were at the computer, maybe you were able to avoid that trade, but unfortunately for me, I took a full stop loss from that. And apart from that, I don't have any new levels on the US dollar Japanese yen. The reason is that I think that the price will close this strong buying activity right there, and it's very likely that it will react to those heavy volumes right there, and it will continue upwards, and there aren't really any viable levels to go short from in this area. Only level that I'd like to trade at pretty viable level is 110.88 right there, and it's still pretty distant, but I think that it's a very solid level to go long from. So we will have to wait for new levels to form, or for the price to reach that long level right there. So guys, those were today's intraday levels. There aren't many of them, but I'm sure that there will be some movements and that new levels will be created for the next week. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. I'll be having a vacation, so I won't be doing videos, but I will be doing daily levels as usual. So I'm looking forward to see you when I'm back, and until then, happy trading!